Ganchen United Peace Voices is the musical expression of Lama Ganchen's foundation, which is a non-governmental organization affiliated to the United Nations with special ECOSOC status and founded by Lama Ganchen in 1992. The Lama Ganchen United Peace Voices Association was founded by Lama Ganchen Rinpoche to spread a message of peace through music, dedicating its songs and compositions to the ideals and teachings of Tibetan Buddhist philosophy. In 1996, following a summer retreat in Michigan in the United States, together with Allen Ginsberg and Philip Glass, back in Milan in this center, Allen Ginsberg visited with Lama Ganchen. Allen Ginsberg was the most important poet of the Beat generation, and he inspired the development of this musical project of Lama Ganchen's with the United Peace Voices. Today, Lama Ganchen United Peace Voices, with the support and kindness of Lama Michel, created the labels named Nalso Healing Music and Nalso Healing Dharma, producing and distributing music for meditation.
That whenever you recite a mantra, to have a real lineage, which means I received the transmission from my master, that received the transmission from his master, and like this we go on and on up to the time of Buddha. And this is something that is essential for all of us. So we have all of this today here, and I just wanted most of all to remember Rinpoche's greatness and kindness and wisdom and far view, long-reaching view and courage. That what we were doing here today, it's actually tradition. Because sure, the instruments that are going to be played don't exist in Tibet, didn't exist in Tibet, maybe now, yes, at the time, no. But the mantras are exactly the same mantras, and the many of the melodies also since a long, long time. So we are adapting tradition, which is, we are adapting to our modern times, to the place where we are. And this is a beautiful sign